Welcome. In this video I will show you how to wipe cache through recovery mode on your DREAME 43Q100 TV. To wipe old cache data gathered on your TV through the recovery mode, first of all we're gonna have to fully power it off by unplugging the power cable from the power outlet, and after that we're gonna have to start holding down the power button that is located right at the bottom of the TV. So hold it down and keep holding it, and while holding it, reinsert the power cord back into the power outlet and just keep holding the power button. At some point you will see the LED light at the bottom of your TV starting to glow, and at this point you can keep holding the power button until it disappears, and once it disappears your display will start glowing slightly, and then you'll just have to release the power button and wait for the recovery mode to appear on your screen. Now here in the recovery mode we're gonna have to navigate using up and down arrow keys on our remote control. This way, navigate down to wipe cache partition and select OK. Then click navigate to yes and click OK. Then select Reboot System Now and wait for your TV to restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.